Duh.
She's not interested. She doesn't seem interested.
They smile.
So how you're feeling now?
Yeah, it's nice. There were a lot of wonderful people here, and it was a great day.
This is the first time you won the trophy,
Yes. Yeah.
and this is the first time you participated.
First time.
Congratulations. Do you love cars?
Yes, I do.
She's not interested. She doesn't seem interested, right?
Of course she is.
She is? Or that's why she's here?
Different reasons. I love
Okay.
the stories.
So which one is your favorite? Like you have been around. Which one is your favorite?
I can't choose. They're all good for different reasons.
What's the special like?
Because you can go from something like this to something like this. That it's all different. It brings
So it
all
means
kinds
at one place we can find unique models,
That's it.
right?
Yeah.
Nice to talk to you. Thank you so much, guys.
If I want to rent this car, how much is per hour?
Rent or drive.
Give an absurd number so that he'll say no.
If I want to drive it for an hour, how much you will charge?
Probably nothing.
Nothing. So
But,
nice
but
of
you have to ride in the other seat, right? It doesn't go into your sight
Like
without you in
any
it.
person who can drive any other car can drive this one.
No, it's right-hand drive, so shifting
Szerintem ez egy
the
izé,
left hand is
YouTuber.
easy.
Okay.
Yeah, because everything is reversed from
It's
the
not
normal
auto.
gate.
It's not auto, right?
No,
No, no. Okay. Do you drive it every day?
pretty much, yeah.
And what about the reaction of the people when you go on the street?
They smile.
They smile, they give wave you.
Yeah.
Anybody offer you to drive
There's
it?
there's no envy. It's only happy things.
Okay, but did they offer you if they want to buy this car?
They don't even ask us why. They know I would never,
Or they know they cannot drive it?
and that too maybe.
So how long you have this car?
Forever.
Forever? Wow. So you have other cars as well, or this is the only one?
I have other cars, but I really like.
But what is the max speed of this car? How fast we can go?
As fast as your bravery takes you.
Oh, really? If I want to go 300 km per hour, I should go?
No, I wouldn't do that.
But it can take, right?
Yeah, you have to think that it's a 75-year-old car. So 75 years ago, this would be like the McLaren of the day.
Thank you so much for all this.
I put the choke in, I run it at 2,000 RPM on my foot, and then I release the gas, I see that it's holding its own.
And this is for the crack on the top of the head. This spills of oil to collect, right? What's the name?
It gives you pressurized oil before you start the car. It's called an accumulator.
Yeah,